What's going on, Backyard Dippers? John from Discount Saltpool, back with another What's in the Box video, and today's going to be over the Universal 40 saltwater generators made by the brand CircuPool. Let's open it up and take a look. Okay guys, so here we got everything laid out in front of us. Now this model is particularly popular with customers coming from existing Hayward salt systems, mainly because it's designed to replace any size acarite in just a few minutes. Also, there's practically zero learning curve coming from those models due to the operation being so similar. But if you're coming from another salt system, or if this is a new install, don't worry, it's still very do-it-yourself friendly. Figure roughly 45 minutes or less for installation, okay? Not a long process. Inside the box, we've got three main components. You got your control module, which is the brain of the whole thing, the cell where the chlorine production takes place, and the flow sensor. Now remember, the flow sensor allows you to utilize any pump you currently have, right? Whether it's a single stage pump, variable speed pump, it doesn't matter. This little thing here makes them both compatible. Control box is housed in a painted metal shell with a hinge door to access the controls. And as you can see, they also give you a viewport here. That way you can take a quick glance at your display. Controls very simple. You got a button here that allows you to cycle through your menu and a turn knob to increase or decrease your chlorine output. Now the cell is solid PVC, so it's not transparent or clear like some of our other models we carry, but it's still very easy to clean if you use the optional cleaning stand. Warranty on this model is pretty good. It's a 4-year limited warranty covering everything you see in front of you. And also keep in mind that the warranty won't be shortened if you install the model yourself. Also included, if you need them, are your unions. You got your 2-inch standard and your 1.5 inch if you need them, 2 O-rings, and of course a manual with the installation guide and some basic questions. But there it is, the Universal 40 series made by CircuPool. It's been around a while and considered by many to be a great budget model, but please check out our comparison chart on our website, discountsaltpool.com. That way you can see exactly how it stacks up to all the different models we carry and determine which one is best for you. But thank you all for watching. I'm John with Discount Saltpool, and I'll see you in the next video.